Back locally now, defending champions Lyssons Primary lead the standings at the end of day 2 of the 3-day Devon Biscuit Insports Eastern Region Primary Schools Athletic Championships being held at the Stadium East. Denise Walters reports.
Lyssons Primary won 2 of the 8 sprint relays on offer while breaking one of the 3 sprint relays record on the day. Lyssons clocked 54.16 in the boys class 3 4x100 meters, erasing the old mark of 55.05 to win ahead of St. Patrick's and Windward Road. They also took the girls equivalent in 56.43 ahead of Halfway Tree and Windward Road.
It is mere fact hard work and determination. This year we are having a lot of challenges this year. Our team is not as strong as usual, but we are trying our best to see if we can make this four in a row.
St. Richard's won the girls class 2 event in a record 53 seconds flat, bettering the old meet record of 53.89, getting the better of Halfway Tree and Lyssons.
I feel great because she beat me on the 2 bills, and then I came back for her on the 4x1.
Meanwhile, Bull Bay Primary and Infant School are making a return to competing at the Insports Primary Championship after a 20-year hiatus. Out of the small 16-member team that has suffered 2 injuries, Terrella Duff is in the final of the girls' 800 meters.
Trying my best to ensure to put Bull Bay on the map just like how I did with the other 24 schools. I will go at least 2 years, and then from the 2 years, that Bull Bay is on the map. So coming back next year, this is what the first time for me with Bull Bay at the National Stadium.
After 11 finals, Lyssons tallied 99.5 points, followed by St. Patrick 43, Lawrence Tavern 42, Halfway Tree 39, with Harborview and St. Richards on 38 points, rounding out the top 5. The top 10 is completed by Windward Road, Rousseau, Red Hills and Morant Bay. 28 finals are slated for Friday as a third and final day. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.